The song that wouldn't die. Sure was a race driver. He drove so goddamn fast. Never did win the checkered flag, but it never did come in last. Sure was a race driver. He'd say Elsa number one. When the bow seat sticker on his 442, he'd light him up just for fun. Carol Pierce a fireman, a Richmond engine number 3. He'll be a wealthy man when they get the dime for all things a man he talked to me. Carol Pierce a strong man, strong as any man alive. Stuck in his cloth to meet him retire at the age of 65. Go! Dog will hunt. King was a race driver, 22